get out of fucking bed.
No.
Man, I can't even handle
You can
this.
get out.
No, wait, dude, I'm not gonna fucking crawl all over you, put my ass in your face. Just get out of bed, dude. What's your problem, man?
Stop.
Why don't you just get out of bed?
You can scooch.
Oh my god, you are so ridiculous. Just get out, man. You hold this. God.
Oh, Shea, are you giving in? Are you giving
She's
up?
such a pain in the fucking ass.
Shea, you're actually
man.
gonna give up? You're going
No,
to?
dude, I can't get out of bed now because the plates are in the way.
Oh my god, you are so ridiculous. I can't get out of bed. There's like a whole fucking spot.
Dude, just get out of fucking bed.
Dude, why are you freaking out on me right now?
Get out of bed, man. How am I supposed to do this if you don't do it?
Baby.
I thought we were in this together.
Baby.
No, I'm just...
Stop.
just gonna do it alone.
Baby, you can scoot.
No, just...
Stop. Quit it. Stop.
You won't even let me out.
Stop.
God, I just can't handle you. Dude.
Stop it.
Oh my god, just get out of bed, man. Just get out of bed. Just get out of bed.
I'm not ready to.
Well then move so I can get out of
Dude, you
bed.
can't.
No, dude, every time I try to get out of bed, you're like, no, dude, just stop it.
Dude, that was the first time.
That's every time.
Oh my god, Shea.
That was all the times.
Get this out of my face.
I need a goddamn drink.
She's back in the fucking bed.
She's like,
She just got back in the bed. What the fuck?
Right? She blew
I know.
proportion. Like, I can't get out. I can't fucking get out.
And she crawls right back in.
Oh my god.